Hey guys, we are here at the Rhinox new showroom they have opened in Kolkata. So let me take you through the showroom. We have Speedy here. He didn't get his GT because obviously a lot of reasons are there. Thank you. So we just gonna do a very short tour of the store and we'll show you different products. So we have Shripath here. He's going to help me with the store tour. Hi, say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Okay, so we're going to start with the
Luggage system.
luggage systems. Okay.
Yeah. These are the
Okay.
transfer luggage. So we have
Right.
tank bags, saddle bags. Also we have a
Nice.
tail bag which is sold out currently. But
And this is
these are
very
the-
this looks very compact, but there's a lot of things that you can fit inside it.
so both of the tank bags are magnetic. You can use the straps to mount it on your tank also, and
Okay.
it is a convertible, so you can use it as a tail bag also. So it's a
Perfect.
multi-purpose. This can be converted into a backpack and this can.
So
be
let me show you
converted-
guys how this one looks like. I think you might have seen it. Okay, so this also turns into a backpack.
Backpack.
Right.
So these are the magnets. So you can, with the help of this, you can.
That's very, it's very handy and you can use it in many ways. So I'm just going to keep it back. And we have this.
Saddle bags are there, so
Saddle
it's
bags.
60-liter capacity.
Nice.
And
And it's
internally
also
waterproof.
expandable, right? This
No,
this
this
thing
is
comes
not
up.
expandable. These are the
Oh.
foam take 60-liter,
Okay.
30 each, but the
Right.
main compartment is completely waterproof.
Nice. That's nice. And we are
Then
moving on to
here
the
We
next.
have a stacker series, which
Okay.
is again a tail bag. We have a
Yeah.
4 capacity, like 10, 20. Here we have a 5 and 30-liter capacity.
That's
you can
nice.
stack it into each other.
Right. You can use it in, stack the 20 with the 30
With the
or 30 with the 10,
30.
anything.
Yeah, anything.
You can do some combinations.
Yeah, the other tank bag is again a 10-liter capacity magnetic.
Nice.
Here's a saddle bag. This is the one, like this is the expandable one.
Right.
So this is a total 6-liter capacity again.
Okay.
So 25 up to 30 each. So once you expand
That's
it,
nice.
it's 25 to 30 will actually.
Okay. So let's move on to the next one. These are the biggest ones. I think this
These
is.
are in 64-liter capacity, but this
Right.
is a single compartment and completely waterproof. So it has a
Perfect.
1000 layer polyester, which is coated with the vinyl fabric and frequency welded edges. So it's a single compartment and complete waterproof saddle bag. Then these are the tail bag in the same series.
Right.
And
And
a
you don't
wrap.
have to worry about, putting a rain cover or anything.
No,
That's all.
It does not come with
You
any
just-
rain cover. It's
right.
completely waterproof. It has a roll-top mechanism, so you have to do compulsory 3 folds.
Right.
It will become a waterproof.
So this is pretty big. I think
It's a
more than
around
enough for your
44-liter
long
capacity.
trips.
This is 64-liter capacity total.
Right. Okay. So moving on to the next one, we have
We have a
some more.
Navigator series basically. So
Okay.
this is again a tail bag,
Right.
which is internally waterproof. You will get 3 different dry bags to segregate your luggage. It can be converted into a backpack. It has a dedicated helmet hanger, a mole panel here to use it for your mole accessories.
Perfect.
These are the frame bags for the Himalayan 450 in the same series.
Okay.
It's with the 12-liter capacity.
So this for the Himalayan guys if you want
Himalayan
something
450.
450 only. Yeah.
And we have a tank bag which is 15-liter capacity in the same series.
Right.
The
Let me
main
show you.
advantage of this series is it's made up with the Cordura fabric, so it has
Okay.
a
know,
very
abrasion
high-
resistance.
abrasion resistance, and it is toughest series in the lineup.
Perfect. Okay. So let's. I think
Then we have
we're going to
Shark
cover the
helmets.
shark helmets.
We are the basically official distributor for India.
Yeah.
It's a completely France-based brand and completely manufactured in Portugal. We have introduced 3 different models: Skol i3, D-Skol, and Riedel.
Okay.
Riedel.
As seen on India Bike Week, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So let's go on to the next one.
Then these are the modulars like winter liners, rain liners.
We have the liners here. You might have seen these. And okay, we can.
These are the off-road series like the
Right.
protective base layer. These are the protective base layers. It's for off-road and
Right.
motocross.
This is only for off-roading and motocross. You can wear a jersey that you can get.
Jersey, we have a enduro jacket.
Right.
also.
So let's go from
We have
that
a
side.
Class A certified jacket. We have a Class AA certified jacket in our portfolio.
So everything
From
that is
city
from
purpose
Rhinox
to
is
touring,
available here.
We have everything.
right. So if you guys need anything, you can visit the store. and today is the first day they have opened. So yeah, there's a lot of other products. I think it's better if you can come, you can try also, and then you can buy it. So that's all. If you guys have any questions, I'll share the. You guys have a dedicated contact number that I can share, right?
It will be going live.
So I'll share that number, and you guys can contact the showroom and visit it for sure. That's all. See you on the next vlog. So if you guys have a very tight budget, at least for a riding jacket, you can surely check out Cramster. So what exactly is Cramster, and why is it, what is it doing in a Rhinox?
Basically, it's a first Indian brand who introduced the luggage apparels to the Indian market.
Nice.
So it is going to be shut. So now to keep the legacy maintained of
Right.
Cramster, so we have to cover the Cramster. And now
Okay.
we have made it Cramster by Rhinox.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit
This
about
is a
this
Viper
jacket?
jacket basically. It has a level 2 protectors on your elbow, shoulder and back.
Wow.
It's a Ceros protector. So again, Ceros is the first Indian brand who surpasses level 2 by plus 40%. There is another advantage is elbow shoulder protectors are asymmetric. So you'll get extra coverage on elbow and shoulder.
Nice.
Yeah. This has a provision for chest protector. So you can purchase
Alright.
it separately.
So you
and
can purchase it separately, and you can just upgrade this
Yes,
jacket.
yes.
And
It
I
is
don't
made up of
think
complete 600D polyester.
right.
So also there is one more model which is a Breezel.
Yeah.
That also comes with the.
That is the one you were talking about,
yes,
right?
Yes, yes. That also comes with the elbow, shoulder, and back CE certified level 2 protectors. That does not have a provision for chest protector, but it is for 3799.
That's a pretty decent price.
Yes.
I
Most
think.
of the jacket has 360-degree reflector, so it is good
Yeah.
for the night time.
Do we have anything else from Cramster right now?
Yeah, we do
Let's go.
have the luggage, like tank bags are there, saddle
Nice.
bags are there, tail bags are there.
Yeah, we already covered those
Yes,
things.
yes, yes.
Let's
Now
check out
this is
these
the
products.
Hydration bladder. So it is
Yeah.
a 2-liter bladder. The 2-liter backpack with a 2-liter bladder inside this.
Right.
This is for 2,999. Then we have
Nice.
a knee guard in Cramster. This is again level 2 certified, CE certified level 2. It's for 2,999.
Nice.
Then this is the shoes. Basically, it has a TPU toe protector, certified ankle protector, steel shank in a sole, rubber sole, and orthopedic gel insole for a
Wow.
better comfort. It's made
This
of genuine
decent
suede
for
leather.
your some touring
Yes,
and
yes, yes, yes.
occasional
It's for touring
rides.
shoes and it's for 5,999.
Just 5,999.
Just
Wow.
Yes.
So this is very affordable boots that you can get. I think I'm going to try these, and I'll share the feedback.
Also, we have a denim.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we haven't covered the denims.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
yes.
I was thinking this doesn't have any protectors or something,
no,
but then
it
I
has
felt
a honeycomb design protectors, which
Right.
is a CE certified level 2 on your elbow and shoulder. If you want to, I can show you the protector.
right.
It's a denim. It has an accordion straight panel for the flexible
This is
movements.
so light.
and
It doesn't feel like there's a
It's a CE certified level 2.
right. Nice.
Yep. This is for around 5,299.
Okay. This is pretty, I think, a good price. A regular denim will cost you something like this.
Yeah.
So it's better if you can get something with the protectors and
Someone who is looking for doing a daily commute for the longer
Yeah.
kilometers. you can get
I'm
it.
sure I'm going to get this very soon.
It's a very lightweight.
Yeah. And do we have anything else from Cramster? I think we covered everything,
we
right?
have a base layers.
Okay.
These are the base layers and balaclavas, which is again a UV protection,
Nice.
antibacterial, anti-odor.
You should have a
I'll
couple
just
of
show
these.
you the fabric.
Yeah.
This is a breathable fabric completely.
Okay.
It's a multi-purpose balaclava.
Nice. Yeah, this is very breathable kind of material.
Yes.
Nice. So that's all from the Cramster lineup, and if you have any questions, you can visit the showroom and you can DM them directly. All right. See you. Bye bye.